Hello everyone! Welcome to today's science session. In this video, we'll explore one of the most fascinating topics in biology, animal and plant tissues. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what tissues are, why they're important, and the different types found in plants and animals. Let's dive in! First, what exactly is a tissue? A tissue is a group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. Think of it like a team in a company. Each member has a role, and together they achieve something bigger. In plants and animals, tissues make the body more efficient and organized. Let's start with plant tissues. They can be classified into two major types. 1. Meristematic tissue, responsible for growth. 2. Permanent tissue, responsible for support, storage, and transport. Meristematic tissues are made of actively dividing cells. These are the growth zones of a plant. They're located in apical meristem, found at the tips of roots and shoots, helps in length growth. Intercalary meristem, found at the base of leaves or nodes, helps in branching. Lateral meristem, like the cambium, which helps in the increase of girth or thickness of stems. These cells have thin cell walls, dense cytoplasm, and no vacuoles because they divide continuously. Now, what happens after cells stop dividing? They become permanent tissues, which are specialized for specific functions. These are of two types: simple permanent tissue, made of one type of cell complex. Permanent tissue, made of different types of cells. Simple permanent tissues include parenchyma, the most common plant tissue. It has thin-walled living cells. Its function is storage of food and water. A special type called chlorenchyma helps in photosynthesis, and arenchyma provides buoyancy in aquatic plants. Parenchyma. These cells have thickened corners due to extracellulose. Function: provides flexibility to plant parts like stems and leaf stalks. Sclerenchyma, made of dead cells with thick lignin walls. Function: provides strength and rigidity, found in husks of coconuts and shells of nuts. Complex permanent tissues are xylem, transports water and minerals from roots to the rest of the plant. It has tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers, and xylem parenchyma. Phloem, transports food prepared by leaves to other parts of the plant. It has sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers, and phloem parenchyma. So that's the story of plant tissues: growth zones, storage cells, and transport systems. Now, let's move to animal tissues. In animals, tissues are grouped into four major types. 1. Epithelial tissue, covering and lining. 2. Connective tissue, support and binding. 3. Muscular tissue, movement. 4. Nervous tissue, control and coordination. Epithelial tissue forms the covering or lining of organs. Types include squamous epithelium, thin and flat cells, found in lining of lungs for gas exchange. Cuboidal epithelium, cube-shaped, found in kidney tubules, helps in absorption and secretion. Columnar epithelium, tall cells, found in intestines for absorption. Ciliated epithelium has hair-like cilia to move substances, like in the respiratory tract. Connective tissue is the most abundant in animals. It connects and supports different body parts. Examples: bone, hard and strong, provides framework. Cartilage, flexible, found in ear and nose. Tendon connects muscle to bone. Ligament connects bone to bone. Areolar tissue fills space between organs. Adipose tissue stores fat under the skin. Blood, yes, it's a connective tissue. It transports nutrients and oxygen. Muscular tissue is responsible for movement. There are three types: striated skeletal muscles, voluntary, striped, attached to bones. Smooth muscles, involuntary, found in internal organs like stomach. Cardiac muscles, found only in the heart, work continuously without fatigue. Finally, the control center nervous tissue. Made of neurons, it helps transmit signals from the brain to the body and vice versa. Neurons have dendrites, a cell body, and an axon. This system keeps us alive and responsive. So, to summarize, plant tissues equal sign meristematic plus permanent animal tissues equal sign epithelial plus connective plus muscular plus nervous tissues are the building blocks of life that make plants and animals function efficiently. If you understand tissues, you understand the foundation of biology. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to review and draw the diagrams, because visuals make biology much easier. See you in the next lesson.